Hello everyone. How to find the value of unknown variable m for such type of problems m minus 5 is equal to m. So let's find the value of m by first method. So I will write here method 1. In method 1, squaring on both sides. So this will become m minus 5 whole squared is equal to m squared by taking squaring on both sides. Is from an algebraic identity that if we have a minus b whole squared, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The above equation m minus 5 whole squared, by using this algebraic identity, this will become here a is equal to m and b is equal to 5. So by using this identity, this will become a squared m squared minus 2 into ab, a is m and b is 5, plus 5 squared is equal to, at the right hand side we have m squared. So after using this algebraic identity, we get m squared minus 2m into 5 plus 5 squared is equal to m squared. So this will become m squared minus 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10. M plus 5 squared means 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25, is equal to m squared. Now moving this m squared from left hand side to right hand side, and here at the left hand side we were left with minus 10m plus 25 is equal to m squared, and this will become negative m at the right hand side. So now we have this m squared minus m squared cancel out each other. We were left with minus 10m plus 25 is equal to 0. Now moving this 10m from left hand side to right hand side, this will become 25 is equal to 0 plus 10m, which is 10m. By moving this negative 10m from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive. As we are interested to find out the value of m, so dividing both sides by 10. Here this 10 from denominator and 10 from numerator cancel out each other. We will left with m is equal to 25. We can write this as 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 10, which is 5 multiplied by 2. So this 5 from numerator and this 5 from denominator cancel out. So we get m is equal to 5 divided by 2. So we got the value of m is 5 by 2. Now before moving to the second method, let's verify that whether this value of m, which is 5 by 2, is valid or invalid for the given expression. As we have found that m is equal to 5 by 2. So let me write here m is equal to 5 by 2. Now for verification, we will use this value of m, which is 5 by 2, in given expression. So this will become 5 by 2 minus 5, whether it is equal or not equal to m, which is 5 by 2. So at the right hand side we have a fraction and this denominator is 1. So by taking LCM, which is 2, this will become 5 minus 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10, whether it is equal or not equal to 5 divided by 2. So finally we get 5 minus 10, we get minus 5 divided by 2, and at the right hand side we have 5 divided by 2. And it is clear that at the right hand side we have 5 divided by 2 with positive sign, and at the left hand side we have 5 divided by 2 with negative sign. So minus 5 by 2 is not equal to 5 by 2. Hence the value m is equal to 5 by 2, which we found is an extraneous root. because it is not possible that minus 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Now let's solve this question by second method. In the second method, move this m from right hand side to left hand side. This will become m minus 5, and by moving this will become negative at the left hand side is equal to 0. So in the next step, plus m and minus m cancel out each other. We will left with minus 5, and at the right hand side we have 0. But it is obviously clear that minus 5 is not equal to 0. So the expression given is m minus 5 is equal to m. So this expression has no solution. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, The Math Click, please subscribe this.